Welcome back to our journey of discovering convenience from simple things. There are items that seem old and worn, or stains that seem stubborn. But with a little understanding of their properties, you'll find everything becomes much easier. Today, let's explore 10 more secrets to keeping your home tidy. 71. Cleaning a steam iron with white vinegar. After a period of use, the steam vents often become clogged with limescale, causing uneven steam output. How to do it? Mix vinegar and water in a 1:1 ratio, pour it into the reservoir, and turn on the steam function for a few minutes. The secret: the mild acidity of vinegar will dissolve stubborn calcium deposits, keeping the steam system clear and powerful. 72. Keep your knives sharp using the bottom of a ceramic bowl. You need to chop food, but your knife is dull and no sharpening stone. Turn a ceramic bowl upside down and use the rough circular part at the bottom to sharpen the knife blade at an angle of 20 degrees. The secret behind it: the roughness of unglazed ceramic acts like a fine sharpening stone, restoring the sharpness of the blade in an instant. 73. Remove the fishy smell from your hands with toothpaste. After handling fish, the smell often lingers even after washing with soap multiple times. How to do it? Apply a little toothpaste to your hands, rub it in, and then rinse with clean water. The secret: the deodorizing agents and peppermint oil in toothpaste are much more effective at neutralizing the fishy smell than regular soap. 74. How to preserve fresh green onions using a plastic bottle. Green onions often wilt or dry out quickly if stored in a plastic bag. Chop the green onions finely, let them dry completely, then put them in a dry plastic bottle, seal it tightly, and store it in the freezer. The secret: storing onions in a bottle prevents them from getting crushed. When needed, you just shake it gently to release the onions. 75. Preventing boiling water from overflowing using a wooden spoon. Boiling water often overflows, soiling the stovetop and posing a safety hazard. Solution: place a wooden spoon horizontally across the mouth of the boiling pot. The secret: wooden spoons are poor conductors of heat, and their surface breaks the surface tension of water bubbles, causing them to burst. 76. Fixing loose eyeglass frames with nail polish. Your glasses have loose screws, causing the frames to slip down, making it inconvenient to concentrate. How to do it? Tighten the screws and then apply a drop of clear nail polish to the screw head. The secret: the dry nail polish acts as a sealant, preventing the screws from loosening and rotating over time. 77. Cleaning stains on clothes with baby powder. Oil splatters on clothes, if not treated immediately, leave stains that are very difficult to remove. How to do it? Sprinkle a little baby powder on the fresh oil stain. Let it sit for a few minutes, then brush it off. The secret: the ultrafine particles of baby powder absorb oil extremely quickly, lifting oil molecules out of the fabric fibers. 78. How to peel garlic quickly with warm water. Peeling small cloves of garlic takes a lot of time and leaves a strong smell. How to do it? Soak the garlic cloves in a bowl of warm water for about 10 minutes before peeling. The secret: the water penetrates, causing the thin skin to expand and separate, allowing you to peel it with just a light touch. 79. Cleaning rust stains on metal items with potatoes. Over time, metal items develop unsightly red rust spots, which are unhygienic and unappealing. How to do it? Cut a potato in half, dip the cut side in salt or dish soap, and scrub vigorously on the rust. The secret: the oxalic acid in potatoes reacts with iron oxide, dissolving it and restoring the original shine to the item. 80. Covering dents on wood with an iron. Wooden furniture gets bumped, leaving unsightly dents that detract from the room's elegance. How to do it? Put a few drops of water on the dent, cover it with a damp cloth, and then press down with a hot iron. The secret: the heat combined with the steam causes the wood fibers to expand and return to their original shape, making the dent disappear. Ladies and gentlemen, from a little talcum powder to a discarded potato, everything can become a powerful helper when we know how to utilize its functions. Hopefully, these 10 tips will help you enjoy life more comfortably. Thank you for your support. Wishing you a peaceful day and see you again.